In today's video, we're going to go over how to properly set up patch management in Atera. Setting up your patch management profiles properly is key to ensuring your customers' devices are up to date. To get started, we'll head into the admin portal and click on Patch Management and IT Automation under the Monitoring tab. Let's click on Add Profile to begin building our IT automations. We're going to call it Patch Management. Once we're done, click Apply. We'll note there are 3 tasks: patch management, maintenance, including scripts, and disk management. It's important that each of these tasks are assigned into separate profiles and carried out at different times. We further encourage creating separate profiles based on OS. You'll notice an option on the top right to select Mac or Windows. By separating out the tasks into different profiles and also separating by OS type, we increase our success rate tremendously, also ensuring patches are carried out should a reboot or shutdown be necessary. We'll start with the patch management section. Select the task you'd like to be carried out. Be sure to select reboot if needed. Below, you can list any patches which you like excluded within this specific profile. Once we've selected the task, we can head to the top of the page to assign a time for the task to be carried out. Select either weekly or monthly and click on the large plus sign. Assign your preferred time and click Apply. You'll notice there's an Execute Now option should you need to carry out the patch for a one-off instance. We can now head over to the left side of the page. Here you can alter the profile name, input an email to be notified when the task is complete, and click Save. You've now created your first profile. If you want to exclude patches, no problem. Below on the left, we can list patches which we'd like excluded from any and all profiles created. Simply click Manage, search by any of the provided fields, and once you've found the relevant patches, click Select. This tool is very handy for such patches which we know are causing issues and we'd like to postpone their execution. On the right, we can see an option for Run on Offline Agents. Should an agent be offline, the system will attempt to execute the above patches every hour. Here you can select how long you'd like the hourly attempts to be made. Options vary from 1 hour to 1 month. We encourage you to click on Add Profile and create profiles for maintenance as well as disk management. We recommend executing the profiles at least 2 hours apart from one another. Once you've created your profiles, we can now assign them to our customers. To assign the profiles, let's click into the Customers tab. Select a customer and head into Devices. You'll find on the top right an Action button. Click it and select IT Automation Profile. You may now select and add all the relevant profiles for the customer. Click Apply. As a general tip, you can assign multiple profiles to customers and devices. You can even assign to alternate profile to a specific server or device in a company. To assign profiles to a specific device, head into the Devices tab. Select the device, and on the right side of the screen, you'll find a section for profiles. Click into Manage under the IT Automation profile. Here, you'll need to exclude the patches on the customer level, and then select the specific profile you'd like to run on this device. Once selected, click Apply. You're now ready to get your patch management in order. For further assistance, feel free to visit our extensive knowledge base articles or contact our support team.